PHP interview questions and answers. What is PHP? PHP is one of the significant web application development server-side scripting languages. Hypertext Preprocessor is the complete version of PHP. It is used to create interactive content, communicate with the server, manages sessions, etc. by embedding HTML. What is meant by variables in PHP? If the variable value is used as the name of the other variables, it is considered a variable. The variables in PHP are declared by $. Explain the difference between echo and print. The echo and print method both print the output from the browser, but the two practices vary. After printing output, echo doesn't return any value and operates better than printing. The print method is slower than the echo, as it produces the Boolean value. To check the data type of variable, which function is used in PHP? The function getType is used to check any variable's data type. How you increase the maximum execution time of a script in PHP? To increase the maximum execution time, change the value of the max execution time directive in the php.ini file. If you want to set the maximum execution time of 120 seconds, set max execution time equals 120 seconds and the following value. Using PHP, how do you connect to a MySQL server? To communicate with the MySQL server in Mysql_connect form, the MySQL hostname, username, and password must be provided, or Mysql class database object declared. How do you use PHP to retrieve data from a MySQL database? There are some PHP functions for retrieving data from the MySQL database. Use of the Mysql_real_escape_string function. The function Mysql@real_escape_string is used to avoid specific string characters to use a SQL statement. What is a persistence cookie? The persistence cookie is a cookie file permanently stored on the browser. It is not secure and is used mainly for a long time to track a visitor. Explain difference between an abstract class and an interface. For closely related objects, the abstract classes are used, and unrelated objects interfaces are used. PHP class can implement many interfaces, but it is unable to inherit multiple classes. What is URL rewriting? The rewriting of the URL is called the URL of the session ID in every local URL of the requested page. The user can quickly copy, paste, and send the URL to another user. What are PHP destructors and constructors? When a PHP class object is created and destroyed, PHP constructors and destructors are a unique function type. The destructor frees the tools provided by or used by a class because a constructor initializes private class variables. What are the traits in PHP? The mechanism allows reusable code to be created in PHP languages where several inheritances are not supported. A trait cannot individually instantiate. PHP interview questions and answers.